Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's your girl Sandra, aka Slim Shady. If you are a new subscriber, hello and welcome. If you're an old subscriber, guys, I love you guys so much. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button down below. So guys, I know I've been missing off my channel for about 2 weeks. I do apologize. I just had a lot going on, but now I'm back and I'm better than ever. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys, and when I say this item, number one, the item is so stunning. Number two, the item is one of the hardest pieces to get your hands on at Louis Vuitton. I'm going to be unboxing my baby with you guys today, so if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, make sure to keep watching. So guys, the item came in a box and I'm going to show you guys what the box looks like. So I purchased two different items from Louis Vuitton, but today we're only going to unbox one of it. So I have the LV shopping bag. Now my sales assistant was kind enough to put the shopping bag in the little delivery box. That's why I have a shopping bag with me. In London we're locked down, if you're not aware, so we can't actually go into the store ourselves. So guys, first things first, it came obviously with this little pouch, and if you know what this is, it's a little envelope where they put your receipt in and all of that jazz. So with the Louis Vuitton package, I also got gifted a free perfume tester. Okay, I just want to unbox this baby. Obviously it's a bit loose because the perfume is right in there, but yeah, like finally I got the Louis Vuitton ribbon, because obviously if you remember the last time when I got the reverse monogram card holder, it came with the Harrods ribbon, but this time it actually came with the Louis Vuitton ribbon. This is how it came. I haven't opened it, I haven't pipped, I haven't looked into it, none of that. So inside my package, guys, I also got this little envelope again with another receipt as well, as you can see. So guys, if you're trying to put your little shoulder pad thing on your 16mm adjustable back strap and monogram, all you need to do is you take the beginning right here and you push it in from this side. So you push it in, you take it from underneath, and then you poke it out from here, and then you pull it out, and then you'll come to this way. On this side, you push it in from under, you pull it out. And when you pull it out, you're going to have something like this. Okay, you're going to have something like this. And this is what it should be looking like, okay? If you want to move it more towards this side, you can always just push it downwards a little bit. So guys, as you can see now, I've set up my little shoulder area. Round thin is going to be leaning on my shoulder. As you can see, this is what it's meant to be looking like inside. Now, when you put it on your shoulder, it will look something like this. Obviously, when you're wearing whatever bag you decide to wear with it, you know, it will look nice and tight. If you want this part to show or whatever, I don't know, if you want to have this on display, obviously you can bring it down a little bit more, but I would like it to sit on my shoulder right there. So obviously when I attach my bag to it, and I can buckle this, guys, you can use this as a belt, you can use this as a bag holder, you can use this as whatever you want to use it, to be honest with you. As long as you can make it work, you can use it for whatever you would like it to be. So with this, guys, be careful, don't rush it, take your time, you know. So if you want to detach this part from this part, guys, if you don't want them to be together, you can just push this all the way back, and then it's literally detached. So you don't really have to play with this part too much. When you wear your bag, if you feel like it's, you know, it's a little bit too long, you can readjust it. I have 7 buttonholes to play with, so if I wanted to readjust it, I can move it up, you know, to whatever buckle length I like it to be. But for right now, I'm more than content. I think this is real leather. Obviously, we know that with LV and this print, this is a canvas material. So this is canvas, and I'm sure this is real leather. I know with time it will patina, but in the meantime, I really love this color. Anyways, I purchased this bag strap from Louis Vuitton for £165. I know it's quite a lot of money for a bag strap. For the bag, I feel like it goes for the bag that I want to put it on, so I just thought to myself, why not get myself this item? This item was sold out online and they had to order it for me. I literally had to wait for one, literally was like, I waited for 1 day and then I got a confirmation that it was ready for delivery to be sent out. So yeah. So guys, the reason why I actually love this bag strap is the gold detail, guys. It's the gold detail for me. You guys know I love gold, as you can see. Obviously it's like got like gold plated in it, but you get what I'm trying to say. I'm more of a gold kind of girl, so you know, the gold hardware is literally doing it for me at the moment, and I really love this part of the bag strap. So if you subscribe to my channel, make sure you're locked in and locked on. Make sure to check my next video. You're gonna see me unboxing my little bag, which this bag strap is gonna go for. But I really feel like it was worth the investment. It's canvas. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it actually looks very creme de la creme. If you're one of them girls that carry like your bags as a crossbody and you feel like the bag that you actually have, the strap is not long enough, you're more than welcome to buy another extra strap from the LV website. When I bought my bag that you guys are going to see soon, I just realized that I needed a longer strap, so I literally went on the Louis Vuitton website, searched for this. I couldn't find it. It was literally not available. And guys, this is the cheapest bag strap you're gonna find in a monogram print. I was like, what? Guys, the bag straps on Louis Vuitton is never the joke, you know. This costs 165. Guys, I was seeing bag straps for 400 and something pounds. I was like, with that price, 400 and something, I can buy a full-blown handbag. But when I saw this one, 165, but obviously it was sold out on the website, I had to literally message my sales assistant straight away saying, Maria, I would like this. Are you able to source this out for me? And when I tell you guys, like I said, Maria doesn't sleep on the job. I'm not gonna lie, I am in love with my accessory. I know that it will go so well. I literally can see it. I know it's gonna go so well with the item that I purchased. So in terms of this, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually struggled a little bit. I had to go back to look at other people's for reference and how to fix it, because I was like, wait, what am I meant to do with this kind of thing? And the way I was actually trying to put it in on my own wasn't going in and it wasn't really working, so I was a bit like, oh my god, what's going on? But think about it, guys, it's kind of like an investment, okay? When you want to resell later in future, this might even have gone up in price by so much more pounds or whatever, so you're always going to get your money back. But I really love it. I cannot wait to attach this to my bag. And if you guys want to see what bag I literally bought myself from Louis Vuitton, make sure to subscribe. It's gonna be my next video, okay? And you don't want to miss out. I know you guys want to see the tea, you want to see the tea first, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, okay? You know what time it is, baby. And then yeah, share the video.